What's up, everybody? Your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX, the one and only Mr. Too Good. Man, I'm back again with another one. Before we start, guys, please like, subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you can know when your boy drops another one. So, yeah, thank you so much. Remember, guys, I also offer a mentorship program. If you want to join the winning team, just go straight to my description. My details are there, guys, and text me, and then let's work. So let's just go straight into it. So today we're checking GBPUSD. So we're just gonna go straight forward. We're just gonna identify this area here, right? Uh, Identify it, and then also identify this lower low of hours. Guys, they always talk about structures and patterns. That's what we teach you. That's what I teach you on the mentorship, right? The patterns. You must know the patterns, the structures, the everything, so that you can, when you look at the market, you relate. But like, because in this area, for me, with the information that I have, I realize we have a pattern, and let me show you the pattern that I'm talking about. I'll just scratch it here. There's this pattern, a very, very famous pattern. We find the market like this, and then the market creates a reversal pattern. Why? It's going up. All right. So something like this. These are the kind of pattern that you must know them, because when you come to the market, you must recognize what kind of pattern do I see, so that you can know, what you execute, and just don't. Do you understand? I think you get me. You must not go to the market and like see the market and have no idea. So something like this. So this pattern, it also is a double top. It's a very, very famous pattern like this. So this is what I see here. And, meaning when the market reaches to this point, we're going to take a long sell. Do you understand? So if you can put it like this, something like this. Yes. Let's try to copy this line here. When we have this, so you see, it's not exactly picture perfect, but you have the idea that the market is going to reverse anytime soon. So meaning we're just waiting for the market to reach this and then push down. Do you understand? So you see, so when we teach you this kind of patterns, it's very easier for you when you approach the market. You relate on what I have taught you. You understand? Like, okay, Mr. Dynamics taught me this pattern. Do I see that pattern here? Do you understand? And then this pattern helps you. You understand? It's okay. We're about to take a long sell or a long buy, or what's going to happen next. Do you understand? So, guys, I do offer that mentorship. So if you're interested in how I analyze and the way I do, the way I trade is, so I advise you to text me so that we can work, guys. So let's proceed. So in this area, this pattern just confirmed that, okay, not soon we're gonna be going down on GBP USD, right? So we have this thing called pattern inside patterns. We also have a reversal pattern here, just a smaller version of this one, which is this one here. In there, and then we can clearly see that in the smaller version here, we are missing what? A third touch. So we have the first touch, we have the second touch, and we're missing the third touch, so that it can complete it, so that the touch, and then we push down. Right. So let's remove this, the bigger one now, and focus, because it's inside here. You can't focus on something that is very far. So we have something like this now. I always say to you guys, when the market approaches a strong area, like at this point, why are we saying this is our strong area? Look how the market went down. It went so impulsive and powerful down. Meaning in this area here, something happened. Do you understand? And then today, as traders will assume there's a high volume here. Meaning in this area, it's likely that sellers will get the same power to push down the market. Do you understand? So we are predicting that, okay, in this area again, because here it's a very strong area, we expect the market to do the same thing and push up and go down. You understand? But we don't just say, no, it's going to go down. We must have, let's say proof, or what can I say? What's this word? What am I looking for? Confirmation, yes. I always say when a market approaches a strong area, when you identify this area, like for myself, sorry guys, I am identifying, or I have identified, right? This is my strong area, right? So the first thing that I need to ask myself is, how is the market approaching that strong area that I have identified? Does it approach it impulsively or correctively? Or let me say with less momentum or with high momentum? Does it approach that market with a reversal pattern? What kind of a pattern is the market approaching that area? So my answer is, the market's approaching this strong zone with a reversal pattern. I have a reversal pattern, meaning the market is going to reverse and go down soon. Do you understand? So that's my confirmation. My second confirmation is that no, because on a reversal pattern, we have this rule of saying we are waiting for a dead touch. And at this point, we only have one, two, and then we're missing the dead touch here. So when the market pushes up like this, I'm waiting for it to come here so that I can sell it long. So, but our first profit is going to be at this one, so that we can complete 90% of this area is identified here. You understand, guys? So now, because now this pattern just gave us the direction of the movement, meaning we are going up, meaning we are in here. We're just taking buys now until here. That's how the patterns help you, guys. That's how the structures help you. Do you understand? And now, at this point, we know, okay, from here, we're just waiting for pullbacks, for continuation patterns, and then we buy it, and we know that we're going to stop buying until to this point. So let's go to our H4 so that we can clearly see the market. Very, very beautiful. Here is another confirmation that we are going up. We have this reversal pattern. You can go back to my previous video, or on GBP, we were able to take this buy. Very, very simple, guys. I explained it very, very. You can go and see how I identify this more. I will just do a recap because this channel is to teach. So at first, we had this, because I analyzed the market was here, and I said the market will come here. First of all, because it's still a downtrend, right? We're gonna wait for the market to give us a confirmation, then we sell it down, right? We continue with the sell. But at this point, why did I say the market needs to reject and go down? Because we cannot ignore that it's a strong zone. The market just turned to a support, and then it broke out, it turned to a resistance. It's a strong area, meaning the market has to react here. So like, because it's a downtrend, then the market has to continue with the movement and pull down. And I said, if the market doesn't respect this zone, it's fine. Then that means if the market pushes up, then we are saying, okay, it didn't respect our sell in this zone. So meaning we are going to take what? A buy, and we're going to wait for a retest and push up. You can go and check on my previous one. We saw this one, and then we took it here. We waited for it. Look how many hours we waited here. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, or the whole day, until we got an entry. But it was worth waiting. Look how beautiful it is. We are in profit because we are holding it until here. That's why I'm telling you guys, be patient with the market. Wait for that 4-hour candlestick pullback, and then you're gonna get a big reward. And then now we are profiting. Do you understand? So in this area with my student, I said, because on 1 hour, let's go to 1 hour. Let's not just talk so that I can explain it for you. So you see here, we got a confirmation of a sell because we took this candlestick here. We were like, okay, my student, let's sell it because we cannot ignore that this is what is a strong area. And then, and then we risked 20% like this, right? We took it here after the candlestick has formed on 1 hour. something like this. Sorry. And then, because why did I even? Because we have this. As I said, if it's a strong zone, you must see how it's approaching it. You can clearly see how it's approaching with the reversal. Like, do you understand? Check. You can agree with me. And then we have what? We have the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. And then we're supposed to go down. Do you understand? And then you can ask yourself, why did it not respect? It happens, guys. That's why we're saying there's no strategy that's 100%. It's either it's 95% or 90%. Do you understand? These are the 10% losses that we get. And then we win this 90%. Do you understand? You must understand that, guys. We take losses, but we risk. We use risk management. So we took a small loss here. And then I was like, going on my student. Then it didn't respect it. Then it's fine. Let it go up, and then we're gonna wait for what? For a pullback. And that's what we did. We wait for the pullback, it came back here, and then after it formed the bullish candlestick of 1 hour, we were able to take a buy from here, and then we put our stop loss under here. And then our target is there. This is where we're gonna close. And then tell me how much is gonna be made. How much? Then if you have a small account, like my student have small account, they're still growing, guys, but they're gonna grow their account very, very much big. We're still going, and here we're still gonna add more trades. Do you understand? We already add more. We already added more trades on this. Let me show you. You can go back to my previous video and confirm it. So today, before I made this video, because I had to prioritize my student first, guys, before I come to you guys, and give you this information. So we were here in this area. So the market just broke this area. Let me also teach you guys. It's a strong zone. The market was approaching, it was approaching this area. And then I identified this strong zone. How? The market turned here. It made what? This a resistance, which turned to a support, meaning it's a resistance and a support. When the market creates something like this, guys, just know it's a strong zone. That's why the market, when it broke in here, it came back and retested this level, meaning this level is retested. It must be retested. When you break it, you must come back and apologize. But when you break it, you must come back and apologize. The market broke this strong area. It came back and apologized. It went down. Same thing here. With my student, I said, guys, we're just going to wait for a pullback, and then we're going to buy it here. We added more trade, and now we're going up. We are very, very profitable. We took small loss here, and then we recovered the losses that we took here with just one candlestick here. Before we even reach here, we already covered the loss that we took here. And then also now we're making profit. Forex trading, guys, is about losing less and winning more. Do you understand? But you must respect, the zones. So what we are going, because this market here created, it's a reversal pattern, must complete the 90% rule, which is this area, which is this one, right? So for those who are scared, because there are people on my student, they're scared to hold for a long time, they're gonna take their profit here. I'm gonna still hold until to that area. So what might happen here, because this is also a strong area, the market will continue to push up right here. It might give a pullback, then it pushes up, right? Or the market decide to shoot up impulsive like this. So I'm trying to show you another entry. Might shoot up like this, then come back and retest, and then pushes up. So be patient, wait for a pullback, and then you go up, right? So in this area I just gave you guys, just wait. Already we have broke the structure here. Let me just try to give you an entry, guys. Already the market is going up. Already the market has retested this level. So this is this was supposed to be, and you can take it still. So if the market, it happens, it pushes up. What might happen, the market can push up, come back again to this area, and then continue to push up the movement. Right, so something like this. So we're just gonna put it like this. It's gonna be our first TP. If you find an entry, just wait for your pullback. And then this is gonna be your second entry. Sorry, second TP. Oh, let me just put it here. Yes, this is gonna be your second entry. Yeah, when the market breaks and retests this level. Yeah. So this is what you're gonna be waiting for. Be patient. If the market doesn't respect this area, guys, I want to show you things. If the market doesn't respect this area and decide to pull down, don't sell the market. Wait for it. It's going to come back to this area again, right? And then it's even better because you're gonna be profitable. It might come back and create this double bottom and then pushes up to that point. Do you understand? So just if the market, I'm giving you buying areas, risk less, right? If the market comes here and give you a confirmation of a buy it. But if it hits your stop loss, wait for it. It's gonna come here, right? And then you buy it, and then you're gonna what? Cover your losses and then make more profit. So it's all about that. The boy, Mr. Daniels, thank you for choosing my channel, guys. God bless you.